Hi all, today I am making a small video on how to prepare for the InfoSec examination, the certification examination like CSSP, CISA, CISM, CDIS, whatever you want to give. Lot many times people ask me how to prepare for it. Look, this is a very subjective question and it really depends on individual to individual and your experience also. But today I will share my strategy with you. Although I have taken a lot of exams, and this is the strategy which I normally follow. First thing is to book the examination. Maybe 3 months, 4 months, whichever whatever you are comfortable with. But I suggest 3 to 4 months is more than sufficient. Okay, even if you are a beginner, 3 to 4 months is more than sufficient because unless and until you don't book the exam, you won't be very comfortable. You won't start preparing for it. Sometimes people say, okay, let's prepare for 1 to 2 months. And then after that, I will take one, then I will book my exam with 1 month. After one means let's prepare for 1 to 2 months. And then I will book the exam after 30 days. But I tell you, if you do this, then after 2 months, you will again take 3 months because that's a human habit. I'm telling you on the basis of my experience. So first book the exam, all the exams means except means CISA, CISM, ISACA exam especially, you have 1 year to take the exam means you can freely postpone or prepone based on your requirement. So no need no need to worry much about that your money will be lost. Even on ISC2, you can prepone or postpone with $50 as a fees. So no need to worry much about your money. Book your exam without any worry, without thinking a lot if you are preparing or if you're really serious about taking the exam. Once exam is booked, then start preparing for it. Lot many times people get overwhelmed by looking at the book. Just like if you look at CSSP book, it's around 1200 pages. But effectively, I tell you, it's around CSSP, especially if I talk about effectively, if I go by it, 1000 pages, 1200, because there are many other things also in a book. So don't get overwhelmed by it. Okay, start reading a book. What is the mistake people do? They get stuck with domain one only in any certification or any exam that they take. Okay, first time read, as per me, should be a very quick one. You should not take more than 15 days, 20 days max, or 20 to 25 days, not more than that. If you are a beginner, then also 25 days at max you can take. If you are not able to complete the book within 20 to 25 days, then you are not serious about the exam. That is the bitter truth. So once you first time read, go for it, quickly read it. Okay, because lot many times when you read, things go into your passive minds. You don't realize that it is you are learning the things, but you get panicked. Okay, so don't do that. Just quickly read it. We are not Vivekanand or AI that we have a photographic memory and we can learn anything one go. So just quickly first complete the book within maximum 25 days, I would say. Then I would suggest go for practice test. And when you are doing a practice test, don't judge yourself too much. When I was doing the practice test for the first time in CISA, I was like 50% wrong. Practice tests are the means by which you can do the SWOT analysis of yours. So when you are doing a practice test after completing the book for the first time, don't judge yourself. Okay, simply do the practice test. Then you will realize, okay, then do the practice test. Okay, whatever your score is, don't bother too much about it. Then after doing the practice test, how much time has passed? If I take it maximum 25 days and 15 days, I assume that you have spent in doing the practice test for the first time. Now start reading the book for the second time. You will yourself feel a lot of difference. Okay, because when you're reading for the first time, you may have overlooked a lot of things. Okay, that's human nature. For the second time after doing the practices, when you read it, you will come to know what is important, what is not important, what kind of questions. And then you can take notes also if you want. and then spend another 20 to 25 days in reading the book for the second time. Then I don't suggest reading book multiple times. Once two time read is complete, then go for practice test, multiple practice tests. It depends on which exam you are talking about going for. So go for 2000 to 2500 question answers if it is available, because there are many exams like CGRC, okay, CRIS, not many question answers are available, but yes, CSSP, CSA, a lot of question answers are available. So go for practice test. And now when you are doing practice test, use the book like a dictionary. Okay, refer the book like a dictionary. So So in this case, things will go into your mind, and if possible, sit with a pen and pencil in hand when you're doing practice tests, and give yourself at least 1 month for practice tests with book as a dictionary. Like for example, some topic related to quantitative risk analysis comes in. Go ahead and read the book or refer the book. Even you know the answer, go ahead and read the topic and read other options also. Okay, find out what is wrong, what is not right, what is right, and why other questions are wrong. So in this case, this will really help you a lot. Trust me, it's a trusted method that I've applied in many exams. Okay, I have also my bit of failures, but yes, this has given me a good result. So from my side, I would say read the book like a novel for the first few time, and when you are doing the question answers, read the book like a dictionary. Okay, that's the best way. That's the approach I have followed. I just thought of sharing it with you. So happy learning. Thank you.